Hello everyone, so this is our lesson for today about conversion of fraction, decimal, and percent, okay? And our objective is to convert percent to decimal, okay? So the first example is 50%. So the first step is to remove the percent sign and then move the decimal point 2 places going to the left direction. Okay, next we have 50. We convert to decimal. Next, we're going to move the point 2 places going to the left direction. So we have 1 and 2. Then now we have point 50. The next is we add 0. Then copy 50. So we have 0.50 is the decimal of 50%. So that is how to convert percent to decimal. Okay, so let's have another example. Number 1, 25%. Then now eliminate the percent sign. Then from the point, count two places going to the right, 1 and 2. So add point to the left side and then add 0. Then now we have 0.25. So 25% is equivalent to 0.25. Next, number 2, 75%. And then eliminate the percent sign. And then from the point, count 2 places going to the left. We have 1 and 2. So add point. And then next is add 0. Then now we have 0.75. Next, number 3, we have 20%. And then eliminate the percent sign. Then we have from the point, count 1 and 2. So add point. And then we're going to add 0. Then now we have 0.20. Okay, so that is how to convert percent to decimal. So